Quantum mechanics. Welcome to this journey into one of the most fascinating and mysterious concepts of modern physics, quantum mechanics. If you think reality is just what we see, prepare to be amazed. Quantum mechanics takes us into a world where common rules no longer apply, where the impossible becomes possible. Ready? Fasten your seatbelts because we're about to take off. Imagine entering a room where anything can happen. A bouncing ball can be in one corner and another, simultaneously. A cat can be both alive and dead until you decide to look at it. No, it's not a magic trick, nor an episode from a sci-fi TV series. This is the reality according to quantum mechanics, the realm of the infinitely small, where subatomic particles like electrons and photons play by rules that defy our intuition. Let's start with a key concept: superposition. At the quantum level, particles can exist in multiple states at the same time. It's as if you had a coin that, instead of being just heads or tails when you flip it, was in a sort of floating limbo between the two possibilities until you look at it. Only at that moment does it choose to be either heads or tails. Strange, right? But wait, there's more. Have you ever heard of quantum entanglement? It's as if two particles become best friends forever, with such a strong bond that no matter how far apart they are from each other, if we do something to one, the other reacts instantly. Yes, you heard right, instantly, even surpassing the speed of light. Einstein called it spooky action at a distance, because it seemed to challenge everything we knew about the universe. And what about measurement? In the quantum world, the mere act of measuring or observing a particle can change its state. It's a bit like these particles are incredibly shy and decide to behave differently when they know they are being watched. This leads us to reflect on the deep connection between the observer and the universe itself, a concept that has fascinated and continues to fascinate physicists and philosophers. Now you might be wondering, what's all this for? Well, quantum mechanics isn't just a series of bizarre mental experiments. It underpins technologies we use every day, like computers, smartphones, and the MRIs used in hospitals. And it's opening the door to future revolutions like quantum computers, which promise to solve problems currently unsolvable for traditional computers, and quantum cryptography, which could make our communications virtually unbreakable. So why is quantum mechanics so important? Because it forces us to look at the universe in entirely new ways. It challenges us to think beyond our everyday perceptions of reality, to imagine possibilities that go beyond the ordinary. It shows us that, at a fundamental level, the universe is a strangely interconnected and incredibly wonderful place. In conclusion, friends, today we've just scratched the surface of what quantum mechanics has to offer. This extraordinary branch of physics continues to surprise us, challenging us to expand our horizons and imagine new technologies, new ways of communicating, and even new understandings of reality itself. Thank you for joining me on this fascinating journey. Remember, the universe is much stranger and more wonderful than we can imagine, and quantum mechanics is the key to unlocking some of its deepest secrets. Until our next adventure.